Do you want to know how to lock Windows computer? Then you are at the right place, as we know how to do that. Let's get started. This is the Windows Club. You can lock your Windows 11 or 10 PC if you aren't using it, but don't want to sign out. This way, your running applications remain open, but your data is protected. Sometimes you may also need to lock your Windows computer quickly just in case someone comes and you don't want the person to know what you were doing. In this video, we will show you how to lock your Windows computer. Let's get started. Method 1. Using keyboard shortcuts. To take it quick, you can use these keyboard shortcuts to lock your Windows screen. Press the Windows plus L keyboard shortcut. Your computer will get locked and you will need to enter your password again to log in. Next, you can press Ctrl plus Alt plus Del and select Lock. Method 2. Lock Windows PC from the Start menu. Go to the Start menu and click on your user picture or user icon if you have not set any picture. Select Lock. Method 3. Create a desktop shortcut to lock screen. You can create a desktop shortcut to lock down and secure your computer. You can also use this command in the command prompt or the Run utility. To create a shortcut on your desktop, right-click on Desktop, then select New, then Shortcut. In the location box, copy and paste this command from the description below. Click Next, provide a name for the shortcut, example Lock Computer, then click on Finish. Then select an appropriate icon for it. You can drag and add the shortcut to your taskbar or Start menu if you wish. You can also use the command in the Run box or the command prompt. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.